Hey, Big Z Nation! I don't know if I have enough subscribers to be referring to anybody as Big Z Nation, but I feel like everybody just takes the name of their channel or whatever and like calls them, you know, Money Nation. So that's what I'm gonna start doing from now on. I'm starting to like doing these these little videos with my cell phone while I'm driving. I don't know, I'm not thinking so much about what I'm saying and staring at the camera. I'm doing something else. So here's what's going on today. Today, I'm actually on my way over to a buddy's house, and we're going to be installing my my ARB skid plate. Last week, I helped him a little bit putting the skid plate on his Gladiator. It's that blue Gladiator that we did the lift kit on. And he got like a frame-to-frame skid plate. The thing's freaking nice. I think his was the rock hard skid plate. On his way over to his house, he's gonna help me put on my skid plate. I got the ARB skid plate, and it's just there to protect your transmission and your oil pan. So it's kind of more, I guess, minimal in design. Yeah. Join me as we install this ARB skid plate. Still your big one to get these down here.
No, you get to be the tightener up of your nuts. I'm not twisting your nuts, trust me on this.
I don't want to torque another man's nuts, you know? That's it. Wasn't really an instructional video, just kind of wanted to show the process of putting on that skid plate. There's one thing I left off for now, and it was the evap canister. The kit comes with a skid plate for that as well, but I was kind of having a hard time getting my evap canister unplugged and stuff, and I wanted to do it when I have a lift to put it on, and just didn't want to deal with it right now, so I'm going to do the evap canister later. It's probably going to make oil changes a little bit annoying, try and reach up and around that skid plate. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But the instructions though, like the instruction booklet that it came with, is actually pretty well detailed, and the pictures are good quality. So it's not like typically when you get these bolt-on accessories, the instructions are just like blacked out pictures and stuff, and you can't see what you're supposed to be doing. And the instructions just say like, put 2 bolts here, you know. It's super vague, and so you're like, well, I hope I'm doing it right, but well, I guess we'll find out, you know. And you have to kind of figure it out on your own anyways. These instructions were super helpful. We got some stuff coming up this year. We got some trail rides. We got some local trails around the Virginia area. Probably do some more Yawari this year. Hopefully we can do Yawari a couple times this year. And also, I have every intention to make it out to Overland Expo East this year. And I've been trying to go to Overland Expo East for a few years, and it just keeps not happening for one reason or another. So this year I'm gonna try extra hard this year to make it out to Overland Expo. Go out there and see all those rigs, and hopefully get to meet some of the guys that I follow on YouTube that are big inspirations to me. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to y'all later.